Africa is not poor anymore. Know why? The country has stepped into the 21st century. The continent's economy has flourished over time with the rise of technology and globalization. This is why it's not surprising to see that a new futuristic city is being constructed in Nigeria by the sea. Welcome back to Genesis. In today's video, we'll look at Africa's $6 billion futuristic city by the sea, the Eko Atlantic Sea. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for regular updates. The Bar Beach in Nigeria served as the location of numerous firing squad executions of convicted armed robbers and coup plotters from the early 1970s through the late 1980s. It was always a public event, attended by throngs of onlookers, including television crews and press personnel. The story of Bar Beach is a long and controversial one. Over the years, it has witnessed many demolition projects, some more successful than others. The latest was Eko Atlantic, and it was the most ambitious of all, converting 228 hectares of no man's land into an idyllic waterfront city by the sea. A contemporary city on the Atlantic coast was proposed in public in 2003. It would be built on the reclaimed area that was once Bar Beach, a residential and commercial area standing on 10 million square meters of land reclaimed from the ocean and protected by an 8.5-kilometer-long seawall will be known as Eko Atlantic City. In a letter titled Permanent Solution to the Bar Beach, and written to President Olusegun Obasanjo in 2005, the then governor of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, requested the latter's approval for the reclamation of the coastal land on behalf of a private investor who would turn the liability into an asset that would benefit Lagos State and the people of Nigeria as a whole. Mr. Tinubu started creating plans for the construction of a new metropolis within the Lagos Lagoon in 2007 and hired China Harbor Company, HCC, as a partner on the project. The reclamation project was approved by the President of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, who had stated that it had to be strictly supervised and that a route for people living along the waterfront had to be provided for. In 2008, construction began, and in May 2009, 3 million cubic meters of sand was dredged, filling up about 35,000 tons of rock. Eko Atlantic City was inaugurated in 2016 by Akinwumi Ambode, the governor of Lagos State at the time. The area of Eko Atlantic is expected to be the same size as Manhattan's skyscraper district, and it will be built on 10 million square meters of land that has been reclaimed from the sea and is surrounded by an 8.5-kilometer seawall. Eko Atlantic is a $6 billion seaside futuristic city. This breathtaking new 40-square-kilometer city is set to be built in the Nigerian capital, Lagos. It was created by the Nigerian company Eko Holdings Limited as an integrated township that will provide homes, jobs, entertainment, and a safe haven for millions of people living in Lagos. With a sea-facing capital, Nigeria is set to become the third most populous country in the world, with Africa's largest city. Its population could double by 2050. The Eko Atlantic City has been planned as part of this city's planned growth and will be more than just a world-class waterfront development. Eko Atlantic is the largest single undertaking in Nigeria's history and is being built from scratch on reclaimed land between Lagos Island and the mainland. It will eventually cover a massive 5,000 hectares of landmass, comprising upscale apartments, office towers, residential buildings, and more than 800 hotel rooms. The state-of-the-art development will feature everything from luxury hotels and a marina to multi-level shopping galleries, office buildings, and modern infrastructure. Congestion, pollution, rising crime rates, and a lack of affordable housing are problems that have plagued Lagos for decades. But a new massive development designed to solve them is poised to make the city even more attractive to foreign investors. By 2050, it's expected that there will be more than 9 billion people on the planet, up from roughly 7.4 billion today. This indicates that by 2050, more than 50% of the people in all of Africa's major subregions will reside in cities. Private developers and governments across the continent are investing more than $100 billion in new sprawling city projects, ranging from utopian seaside business districts, smart tech hubs, and futuristic residential cities, according to a new report by Estate Intel, a real estate market data and research firm. Because land in urban city cores is already in short supply, the majority of proposed or under construction new cities are located on the outskirts of existing cities. It's a necessary compromise since, in order to justify the significant financial investments, the new cities will need to be entirely new, more efficient infrastructure independent from already existing services like sewage, roads, and power. It was intended to be the first upscale metropolis in Africa hosting 200,000 people. The location was chosen for its limestone cliffs because they have a natural drainage system that will protect the city from flooding in the future. Plans call for a marina, shopping centers, and potentially an oil refinery. The Eko Atlantic city is planned to be a world-class city that will rival any in the world. The project is expected to bring $6 billion in development over 5 years of construction and an estimated 4,000 permanent jobs upon completion. So what is your opinion on Africa's $6 billion futuristic city by the sea? Let us know in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.